Hello guys, today I would like to show you how to replace the optical disk drive on the Toshiba Satellite A200. I would like to call it just to how to replace the DVD or our CD-ROM. This is the drive on the side, and over here I've got a replacement that we need to put, and it's quite easy to do. First of all, we have to remove the battery just to be safe. Then we have to grab our, let me show you the model number. So the Toshiba Satellite Pro A200. I'm pretty sure that we'll go through the all series of different sets. So our CD-ROM drive screw is under the memory port, so we have to remove our flap that is covering the memory module, just like that. And over here is a small screw that is holding our optical disk drive. So I'm going to remove it right now, just like that. And as you can see, over there is a metal frame that is going from the optical disk drive, and if you would like to remove it, you have to push it just in that direction, just like that. The very gentle push, do not to damage anything on the board, and as you can see, it just go out. And that's how it looks like. This is our replacement. As you can see, the both drive are the same. One have a front. We are going to replace that front, and we are going to replace the back frame. So let's do that right now. First, let's replace the back frame. This is just a 2 screw, so this is a very easy and very simple to do, just like that. Okay, we don't need you. Okay, so our big frame where the screw is going to hold it is in place, and now we have to replace the front panel. That's how it looks like without. And our front panel, we are going to gently pry on the side. And let me grab a flat screwdriver to get a little bit better access. Okay. And this is our front. We are going to replace it. Just like that. As you can see, very nice. Let's put back into our computer. We're going that direction because there is a screw. We're just going to slide it. As you can see, it go in place. And we are going to add our tiny screw. Let's make sure that everything is in place. Yes, it does. Our tiny screw. Now we are going to add our flap that's covering the memory. We are we're going to put back our battery, and as you can see, the job is done very quickly, very easy, and this is our not working drive. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find that interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.